Okay, guys, this is going to be your class for today. We are going to perform the review workshop that is in physics, obviously, because you have the final exam in like 2 days, I think. Yes. So this is are the exercises. You only have 5 exercises, no more. You are going to do all the things we already know how to do it along this first term. So we have like the base of the 7 base quantities. We have exercises of conversion of units, scientific and engineering notation. We have scientific method, and we have vectors in a space or anchored to the region. I don't know. So that will be all. If you have questions or whatever you need, I'm going to be here. So you have until midnight of today to upload this into Classroom. And so thank you very much for your attention. You're being so kind. Remember to follow me at all my social media. And don't forget to subscribe. So see you in another video. Bye.